Hi guys, my name is Valentyna, I live in Australia, and today we're gonna have a huge Shein unpacking. Let's go! We're gonna start with a very big box, and I think I know what is it, but the rest of stuff I just don't remember what did I order. And I spent, I think, 100 Australian dollars, that's it. And I got a lot of stuff, like a huge bag of stuff for 100 Australian dollars. Whoop. The box came a bit smashed, but let's open it. Ta-da! Oops. Look at this! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! It's actually gonna be spring in Australia and it's gonna be so hot in a couple of weeks, but winter is over and I don't know why I just decided to order now. Maybe I'm gonna have some photo shoot in it. Maybe I'm just gonna wait. So let's get the second one. Blams. They look really cool, and actually the quality is super fine considering that it costs like $20. $20 shoes, I can't believe this. Okay, let's try it on. It's a zip over here. Oh my god, they're so big. Oh, it's something inside. I hope it's gonna fit me good. Okay. Oh, it's actually my size. Wow. Second one. Honestly, I'm so surprised by the quality and they're so soft inside. Oh my goodness. It's a lot of sleigh. I love it. Oh wow. It's so cool. Oh my god. So I'm basically not gonna take it off because I absolutely love these shoes. And we're gonna continue our unpacking in it. So the next thing, it's, as you can see, a jeans skirt. And I think it's gonna look amazing with these shoes, so let's try it together. I never had this type of skirt, but I decided to try. Yes, it's absolutely long skirt, and it's actually really nice quality. It's not too thick, and it's not so thin. So I think it looks cute. It definitely worth the money. Maybe I shouldn't tell it before I try it on, but... So I'm not sure if it's a good idea, but I decided to wear it like this, so you can see my really nice boots. So what do you think? I think it's super stylish. Obviously you can button them back and have this like nice shape. And I'm surprised that it's actually my size. This is XS size. Yeah, I like it. It's nice. Oh, I'm super happy. Bams. 2 out of 2. Amazing shots. Let's go. Is it really Shein that everything fits me? It's definitely gonna be something that's gonna be shit and look like shit, but I'm surprised. The next one, it can be a gift or it can be a joke, but it was like a couple dollars and I couldn't go away. That's why I have this right now. Please don't block me if you think that it's too much cringe. But I think it's a lot of fun. I'm definitely not gonna try it on to show you, but I think you understand. Please forgive me for my like amazing sense of humor. The next few things that I bought, I just wanna for you to be prepared and give you a little bit of a context. So apparently it's gonna be autumn in most parts of the world, not in Australia, but anyway, I feel it, I feel the vibe. And everyone is watching Twilight. And I saw it and I just was like, I really need it. That's why I have these stickers with Edward Cullen. I think that's amazing. Oh, no. Bam. That's not everything I bought. The next, this is for my car, like Edward Cullen. I'm gonna put it in my car. It calls Eggward because it's in the shape of egg. It's Edward Cullen. I'm super glad that my husband doesn't watch my YouTube channel, so he doesn't know where I spend all our money. And the next one, oh no, you will not believe this. So I actually bought a Sheglam, the Twilight Saga, with also Edward Cullen. So I'm gonna have like a skin as like they have it over there in a movie. Like the same one, hopefully. Let's open it. Oops. Yes, sparkly. It is sparkly. So yeah. Oh yes, it's sparkly. If you want to have a skin as a vampire from the Twilight Saga, you know where to get it. You know where to get it. I'm gonna leave all the links in the description, so if you want to buy something, it's absolutely worth the money. Eggward is the best, and this one is very useful, very useful. The next thing, I bought it because I really need this on my kitchen. I even don't know how do you call it in English, but I know you understand what it is. This is such a disgusting material. The fabric is awful. I'm like a Dexter, not like a chef on the kitchen. Yeah, it's like some Dexter rope. Oh my god. It's okay. If I'm gonna cook something messy, maybe I'm gonna wait, but this is not cool. I don't like it. I don't like it. I'm glad that I don't like this, but not Eggward. So that's okay. It's gonna be a dress. And the reason why I bought it, because I already have the same one, and you probably think like, why do you need the second one? But the thing is, the first one I bought here in Australia for $330. And then I saw the same dress on Shein for $11. And I'm just like, what? I need to buy it just to compare the quality, because if I bought like the same dress here, and it's like the same quality, why would I pay it like in 33 times more? In a 30 times more? This is crazy. Let's compare it. Look like this. This is super cute. And when I said that I have the same one, it was not a joke. I'm gonna show you now. So this is a bit closer. And then I try them on. The second one. Like, do you see it? And you can tell me, does it worth the money I paid? Because even when I touch it, it's like super similar fabric. Like, if I close my eyes and mix these dresses, I would never guess which one is it. This is crazy. My feet are so sweaty in these shoes, like I need to take them off immediately. This is a dress for $11. $11, just a reminder. So what do you think? Just let me know. Because I think it's absolutely awesome. It's so awesome. It fits me so good. Like, wow. And it costs 30 times less than the one I bought. Isn't it crazy? This is my second dress for $320 or $30. Like, okay, even 300. This is not a cheap dress. Okay, the length's a bit different, but I feel like that one, the pink one, even hold it here better, even though it's a zip here, and the last one didn't have a zip. What? I'm super sorry for the light change. I live in Melbourne and every time I decided to film anything, it's just like horrible light because it's so many clouds and I was too lazy to put a softbox upstairs, so thumbs up if you don't care about the light. The last thing that I bought, it's actually a dress as well. It's similar to the one I had, but not like identical twins. It's a bit different. Yeah, it's a dress. I think it costs the same, like $8 or $10. And yeah, it looks similar, but it has this little shoulders. Yeah, let's try it on. It's shorter and it has this like cut. Oh my god, my husband told me like I speak English good, but sometimes it just isn't in my brain. So I think it's actually a nice summer dress just to go and grab some cocktail with your friend. It's super soft, it's similar fabric. I just don't like this like knits here. I don't know how you call it, but that's okay. It's just like couple dollars dress and maybe I'm gonna wear it a couple of times. I feel like it's a bit loose over here and the other one fit me better, but it's okay anyway. Yeah, it's very nice dress, some summer romantic beach vibe, European summer vibe, like very cute, very nice. I really love it. I almost forgot, for unpacking, I also have a pin with Edward Cullen. Almost lost it, like at the very last moment I found out in a bag that I wanted just to throw away. Oh my god, no. So guys, thank you for watching me. You know what? I'm thinking about, just let me know in a comment about your favorite movie or comedy or some nostalgia scene and I will read it and I will try to find on Shein a merch from this movie, like with this movie or with this character. So let me know in a comment and I'm gonna see you in the next video. Thank you for your support. Bye bye.